And now, today's feature presentation. Time to spit this fire style juicy. Season greetings and merry salutations as we embrace together the wintry sensations. I don't know what you celebrate, but I'm only here to commemorate as I wish you happy holidays, and I'll do so without the hate. From December to March, I'll happily share my winter parts. I know that you will adore, so grab those floors and lock your doors. Please get comfy, do feel snuggly. Grab a sweater that's just 'cause you're ugly. Get too warm and you'll be too muggy. Grab enough food so you're not too hungry. Hot chocolate, gingerbread cookies, snowflakes and flies, so please take a looky. If it's not cold for you, it's obviously cold for me. As I was born and raised in the state of New Jersey, the darkness hurries and the clouds swing flurries. The daytime scurries and the mood is huggy. Wrapped up cuddles and sensational puddles. It's winter time and it tilts supply. I love the cold and I'm feeling bold. I'm not too old to enjoy this cold. Let it snow and may the joy grow. It's winter time with the transit Prodigy.
Depart to south and follow you visually. Take care.
Alright, have a good day. Blue Streak 5049.
Blue Streak 5575, Washington Tower, departing after company directly ahead of you. You're number 3.
Copy, 6 o'clock, that's fine.
Blue Streak 5340, chop depart 33, chop on a 5 mile final, runway 1. Line up away.
1 line up away, Blue Streak 5340.
American 2025, descend approach speed. Break there 3544, contact on departure, take care.
Departure, break here, 3544.
American 1618, Washington Tower, pull up, hold short of runway 1, departing number 3 after the second CRJ.
Roger, we'll hold short of runway 1, American 1618.
1522, Washington Tower, departing after company 321.
Tower, Blue Streak 5413, mile burn visual runway 1, 150 on the speed.
Blue Streak 5071, turn left November, contact ground point 7.
November, ground point 7.
Blue Streak 5372, traffic code zone 1, 13106, runway 33, quick takeoff.
Runway 33, clear for takeoff.
Blue Streak 5413, wash tire, 13106, advise if able 33.
Unable 33 for today, Blue Streak 5413.
Blue Streak 5340, continue holding, advise at departing CRJ, right to left in sight.
We got the traffic in sight, and we'll continue to hold Blue Streak 5440.
Blue Streak 5413, runway 1, clear to land.
Runway 1, clear to land, Blue Streak 5413.
Blue Streak 5340, maintain visibility departing CRJ 700, 13007, traffic 2 mile final, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, Blue Streak 5340.
Blue Streak 5372, contact on departure, fast follow busy, take care.
Over departure, Blue Streak 5372.
Blue Streak 5340, contact on departure, take care.
Over departure, Blue Streak 5340, see ya.
See ya. Blue Streak 5291, chop cross south 0, track 5 mile final, runway 1, line up away.
Runway 1, line up away, Blue Streak 52. Tower Southwest 2714 is checking in with you for 1.
American 2025, turn left on taxiway Sierra, turn left taxiway Juliet, cross runway 33, contact ground 120.7.
Alright, left Sierra, left Juliet, cross 33 over to ground, American 2025.
Blue Streak 5291, wind 300 at 9, traffic 3 mile final, runway 1, quick takeoff. Southwest 2714, watch tower, wind 300 at 9, traffic hold, runway 1, clear to land.
Clear to land, Southwest 2714.
Blue Streak 5291, contact on departure, take care.
Departure, Blue Streak 391, good day.
Blue Streak 5575, watch tower, runway 1, line of fleet, taps 5 out.
Line up away, runway 1, Blue Streak 5575.
JetBlue 1333, watch tower, you can continue the whole bay runway 1 to be departing number 4 after the CRJ on Juliet.
We'll continue to the whole bay behind we'll plan B departing behind the CRJ, JetBlue 1333.
Blue Streak 5413, turn left on 33, ground point 7.
Left turn on 33, ground point down, Blue Streak 5413, have a good day.
Blue Streak 5575, wind 3006, traffic 3 out, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff,
Runway 1, Blue Streak 5575. Tower Brigade 5693, Mount Vernon, visual 1.
Brickyard 5693, watch tower, wind 3006, runway 1, clear to land, tap go.
Runway 1, clear to land, Brigade 5693.
Blue Streak 5575, contact on departure, take care.
Over to departure, Blue Streak 5575.
Blue Streak 5336, MTV1.
American 1618, runway 1, line of weight, traffic 4 out.
Runway 1, line up weight, American 1618.
Blue Streak 5336, watch tower, wind 3006, shape 33.
Maintain 11,000, Blue Streak.
Envoy 4041, watch tower, runway 33, line of weight, traffic departs, lands, intersect runway, traffic 8 out your runway.
Alright, 23 line of flight, runway 4041.
Blue Streak 5336, up hold zone 1 and 33, runway 33, clear to land, wind 30 at 5.
33 clear to land, Blue Streak 5336.
Southwest 2714, turn left taxiway November, turn left taxiway Juliet, contact ground point 7, take care.
November, Juliet, point 7, Southwest 2714.
American 1618, traffic hold zone 33, traffic 3 mile final, wind 3006, runway 1, quick takeoff.
Runway 1, clear takeoff, American 1618.
Tower Blue Streak 5395, MTV1.
Blue Streak 5395, watch tower, wind 30 at 5, runway 1, clear to land.
Clear to land 1, Blue Streak 5395.
JetBlue 1333, well, we got a message we got to deal with. We need a place to hold.
Southwest 1417, watch towers, just hold right there.
Staying right here, Southwest 1417.
Roger, JetBlue 1330. You'll be back in the hold bay here in just a second.
That's fine. Yeah, we gotta run the procedure here.
American 1618, contact on departure.
American 1618, so long.
American 2552, top departure 33, traffic is 4 Alpha 33, runway 1, line up 8.
Runway 1, American 2552.
JetBlue 1333, you guys think you'll depart?
We're not gonna be able to depart with this. We're gonna do a reset.
JetBlue 1333, go ahead and slide to the right, you can take the American spot.
Okay, we're gonna slide to the right and take the American spot. JetBlue 1333.
Southwest 1417 behind JetBlue in the whole day.
You can pull up closer to 1 Southwest 1417.
Pull up closer to 1 Southwest.
Blue Streak 5395, 1280 at 8, 833.
Negative for 23, Blue Streak 5395.
American 2473, follow Southwest.
American 2473 will follow Southwest.
Envoy 4041, contact on departure, take care.
Departure will land with 4041.
Blue Streak 5457, watch tower, follow American. American 2552, 1280 at 8, traffic 2.5 out, runway 1. Clear for takeoff.
Runway 1 clear for takeoff, American 2552.
Blue Streak 5336, any left turn, contact ground point 7, take care.
Tower Delta 380, Mount Vernon visual 1.
Delta 380, watch tower, 1280 at 8, 833. Delta 380.
Yeah, 380.
Yeah, copy my last transmission.
Negative for Delta 380.
Delta 380. Winds 300 at 8, 833.
Unable 33.
Delta 380, runway 1, clear to land, traffic holds.
Clear to land, runway 1, Delta 380.
Blue Streak 5388, traffic on a 5 mile final, Airbus 320, runway 1, line up for wait. American 2552, contact on departure, take care.
American 2552, sir.
Yeah. American 3301, watch tower, departing up to copy, Airbus 319. Blue Streak 5395, Thomas taxiway November, contact ground point 7.
November ground point 7, Blue Streak 5395.
Blue Streak 5388, wind 2807, runway 1, quick takeoff.
Runway 1 clear for takeoff, Blue Streak 5395.
Blue Streak 5457, wash tower, departing after American 737 now. Blue Streak 5388, contact on departure, take care.
Departure Blue Streak 5388, good day.
Hey, Tower United 1685, visual on 1.
Southwest 1417, runway 1 on a way, traffic data.
Flight runway 1, Southwest 14.
United 1685, wash tower, 12708, traffic holds, runway 1, clear to land.
Runway 1, United 1685.
Top 380, turn left on November, turn left taxi 28.
Washington, 5150.
Clear, complex 7 up 380.
American 3301, number 2.
2, American 3301.
Southwest 1417, 12707, runway 1, quick takeoff.
Let's take out runway 1, Southwest.
American 2473, runway 1, line of weight, traffic 6 out.
American 2473, line of weight, runway 1.
And JetBlue 1333 will be ready for departure.
JetBlue 1333, roger. Southwest 1417, contact on departure, take care.
Departure, good day, Southwest 1470.
American 2473, 12806, runway 1, quick takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1, American 2473.
American 2473, contact on departure.
Good day, American 2473.
American 3301, wash tower, runway 1, line of weight, traffic cross downfield,
American. Line of weight on 1, American 3301.
United 1685, turn left on 33, turn left on Juliet, contact ground point 7.
33 Juliet, point 7 for ground, United 1685.
American 3301, wind 3008, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, American 3301.
Brickyard 5666, watch tower, runway 33, line of weight, traffic holds on runway 1.
Runway 33, line of weight, Brickyard 5666.
54, 57, watch tower, runway 1, line of weight, traffic approach 33. JetBlue 1333, watch tower, you'll be next.
Roger, JetBlue 1333.
JetBlue 654, watch tower, departing after.
Sky 2074, level 380.
American 3301, contact on departure, take care.
Departure, American 3301.
Brickyard 5666, wind 2905, runway 1, clear for takeoff. Correction, runway 33, clear for takeoff. Blue Streak 5457, this stay holding position on runway 1, advise that departing E175 in sight. Brickyard 4639, watch tower, runway 33, line of weight, traffic approach, center section runway.
Runway 33, line point ready, Brickyard 4639.
Blue Streak 5457, traffic holds on 33, winds are 2705, maintain this bridge with the E175 and upwind, runway 1, clear for takeoff. JetBlue 1333, watch tower, runway 1, line of weight, traffic will hold on all runways.
Runway 1, line up and wait, JetBlue 1333.
American 2446, watch tower, runway 4, line of weight, traffic holds all runways. American 4446, runway 4, line of weight, just advise when you're ready.
4, line of weight, advise ready, number 4446.
Brickyard 5666, contact on departure, take care.
Departure, take care, Brickyard 5666.
JetBlue 1333, advise you departing CRJ off runway 1 in sight.
Yeah, we have the traffic that just became airborne straight ahead.
JetBlue 1333, maintain this bridge with that traffic that just became airborne straight ahead. Winds 260 at 6, traffic holds all runways, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Roger that, we'll maintain visual separation with the traffic. Runway 1, we are clear for takeoff, JetBlue 1333.
Blue Streak 5457, contact on departure, take care.
Blue Streak 5457, goodbye.
JetBlue 654, runway 1, line up for weight.
JetBlue 1333, rejecting on the runway.
JetBlue 1333, roger that. Can't take off clearance. Go ahead and make a left-hand turn at taxiway Foxtrot and contact, let's turn left taxiway Foxtrot and say the reason why you guys rejected.
We got a brake fault indication on our number 2 system below 80 knots, so low speed abort.
JetBlue 1333, roger that. And you guys on hot brakes at all?
No hot brakes. We're low speed regime. We just got a message that we did not want to take in the air, and it was a low speed reject.
Understood. JetBlue 1333, roger that. You can contact ground point 7.
Ground point 7, JetBlue 1333.
Brickyard 4639, winds 2607, runway 33, quick takeoff.
33, clear for takeoff, Brickyard 4639.
Number 4446, still want us line of weight.
Yes, sir. Limber 4446, runway 4, line up weight. Let me know when you're ready.
Number 4446.
You ready, Limber?
Forward 5 here, 1 second.
Brickyard 44, correction, Brickyard 4639, contact parts ticket.
73, pass with 16,000 for 2.
JetBlue 654, tap goes on runway 4, when 2 AJ, 7 runway 1, clear to take off.
Runway 1, clear to take off. Number 4446, ready to go.
United 1457, runway 1, line of weight, tap goes on runway 4.
Runway 1, line of weight, United 1457.
Roger. Bird 4446, tap goes on runway 1, when 290 at 6, runway 4, clear for takeoff.
Runway 4, clear for takeoff, refer 4446, thanks.
JetBlue 654, contact on the parts ticket.
Departure, we'll see you, JetBlue 654.
See ya. United 1457, 12906, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, United 1457.
Jazz 822, wash tire, runway 1, line of weight.
Line of weight, Jazz 820.
Bird 4446, contact on the parts ticket.
Departure 4446. Tower runway 3600, Mount visual runway 1.
Envoy 3600, wash tire, runway 1, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 1, envoy 3600.
United 1457, contact on the parts ticket.
330.
Jazz 822, when 250 at 8, runway 1, clear to take off.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, Jazz 822.
Thank you for watching today's featured video and enjoy your winter time.